Hey guys, we got this Haniera original stuffed animal storage. So it's a over-door organizer for the stuffies or baby ideas holder or the toy plush or any other toys or things you want to store. So the good thing is it goes over the door so can be hidden in the back, and then see like the quality you can see from here. It's a meshy thing. It's a very quick and easy install that I will show you, and then it's a space saving as well with the experience and beatable durability. So let's try all these things. So there are the rods here that I will show you. So that goes inside these ones. So these are the four rods, and then let's show you like these ones. So these rods actually just stick with one another. So say like there are four pairs. So the one will go like this, and then each one will go in each of these horizontally. So just put in these rods just to make it more stable. And then you can just close the Velcro so that it will not just come out. So let me just put all these four rods here, and once it's all done, this will make it more stable. And you can of course store a large amount of stuffies or other toys in it. So once this, and there are the instruction manual, but I already described you here. So this one is again a straightforward process. So once I put in all these rods here, let's go to the door hooks. So material you can see like this is a meshy thing, and also like they are the door hooks. So four door hooks here that goes over the door. So like this way. So this is over the door, you can see I installed this, and then it covers up on the door completely from other side as well, so this will not slip. And these are the pockets here, the meshy thing with the big size. So it's almost at the door size. So let's put in some stuff to show you a comparison. So I put in some stuff here, or some stuffies or some toys, just to show you how this feels and looks. So it's a nice space, very handy, and organize things well. So in spite of here and there, I just can put in the stuff here. So a nice store organizer.